the vibe. We made it. Dread journey, the journey was dread. Oh, look into come by my car. And look what we see by the car. A full map up here on the scene, eh? The whole jungle. We didn't see him, but he waiting on we by the car. Oh,
this is the seriousness.
And now my son see it. I even see it, and look what it is by my door. So you don't know the vibes.
I'm glad you see it, boy, small man. I'm glad you alert.
Brother man. The run up here, you take care. There you go. There you go. The scenery, real nice up here. I know, I get on that. Cha, I will end them. I get cha that. Is it girl? Yeah. Don't come too close to the corner, my brother. To the cliff. So you don't know Turure on flick right now. There you go. So we're heading up. We're heading up. See new waterfall. Sweet! Real sweet. So you don't know the vibe. Alright, so we made it. Let's go. What's up? So we made it. Nearly fall again. I'm not supposed to be falling here. There's the pond here. You don't know the vibe. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You know the vibe. We made it. Dread journey, the journey was dread. Catch him?
Yeah, that big girl.
So you see what's going on here? Mapapi on the scene.
What's your fangs now?
Wow.
Well, yes! So you don't know the vibes, Mapapi on the scene. You don't know hike what hike. We're not like nothing.
Yeah.
Stop with us Saturday night.
Correct.